us to talk about the teachings of Jeremiah on judgment and punishment.
He judges by looking into our hearts. God will remove the punishment from them of destroy the city and give those of no one will escape the punishment, even those who try to escape will be found. God will execute his judgment by means of the people of his providence. People will be taken as God's judgment is on us. It will extend to our nation. The purpose of God's judgment was to protect the sinners. God gave his people right to get the judgment. You want the people that are if you be characterized by lack of peace, there will be no
So tell me the teachings on judgment and punishment, the ones that we've read. Now you tell me, yes? Yes, it will last for 70 years. It will be universal. That is for all. Very good. No one will escape the punishment, the judgment.
God gave them time to repent their sins.
Yes, he gave them time to repent, sure. Yes, we've talked about God's judgment will last for 70 years. Yes, they will be taken to exile in Babylon. Yes, there will be widespread. This side, you're not talking. What is happening at the back? There are very many points. God was going to punish all sinners, regardless of their status. That means even if you are the king. He will execute his judgment by historical events. We've talked about people being taken to exile. Judgment is universal. That is, it will extend to other nations. The purpose of judgment will be for what? Correction. The purpose was correction. Yes, it will be characterized by lack of, there will be no peace. There will be what? Famine and slavery. There will also always be what? There will also be killing. People will be killed.